Hello and welcome to Fit Be Well Recipes. If you have been to Barbecue Nation or other famous restaurant chains, I'm sure that Cajun potatoes have been among your favorite starters. Although the Cajun cuisine originated with French immigrants to Canada, it definitely is a much loved influence into our restaurants and kitchens, isn't it? Today I'm going to share with you the air fryer version of making these Cajun potatoes with easily available ingredients to give the exact crunch, spice and rule goals, but with a more healthier rendition. So let's quickly start. We first begin with preheating the air fryer to 110 degrees Celsius for about 11 minutes. In the meanwhile, I've got 3 parboiled potatoes in the shapes that you can see here. If you like the Cajun potatoes to have their peel on and half flattened, you can use them as it is. And if you have baby potatoes, that's even great. But since I couldn't get baby potatoes, I preferred to set my potatoes this way. Here are 10 garlic cloves that I'd be crushing coarsely to use in 2 parts in this recipe. Okay, so let's head over to make the Cajun sauce. I've added about 1.5 tablespoons of homemade mayonnaise. You can find my recipe to make mayonnaise at home in the description links. Let's add some crushed garlic. I've added about 1.5 tablespoons of organic tomato ketchup, the link of which you can find in the description. However, you're free to use any ketchup of your choice. I'm adding about 3.5 tablespoons of milk based on the consistency of my mayonnaise. There goes some pepper powder. A little bit of red chili powder or paprika based on your choice. Let's finally add some salt to taste. Let's blend all of these to get a fine paste which will become our Cajun sauce. Here's how it looks. Now let's get our potatoes ready for the air fryer. I've taken around 4 tablespoons of rice flour instead of corn flour. There goes the rest of the crushed garlic. Then we add some red chili powder. Next, you can add some oregano or chaat masala if you don't have oregano. And here's some salt to taste. Mix well and please note that all of this would become the coating for the potatoes. Let's brush very little oil into the air fryer basket. Alright, it's time to coat the potatoes with the flour and spread them carefully in the basket. We'll let this cook at 110 degrees Celsius for 6 minutes. Please also remember that the cook time and temperature would also depend on which air fryer you're using. Okay, so we've taken them out and it's time to flip the potatoes. And let's air fry for another 6 minutes. And our potatoes have turned out like this. So let's quickly dress these gorgeous goodies with the Cajun sauce we just prepared. We are topping these with finely chopped onions and coriander leaves. Would you love to have the first bite? Thanks for watching, and if you like this recipe, please give it a thumbs up and share it across with your friends. And if you're here for the first time, don't forget to click subscribe and hit the bell icon to get notified every time I drop a new video. I'd also love if you join me on Instagram and check out my website. Stay tuned for my next video, and until then, take care and bye-bye.